More new stock here at Austin Park Motors. This time it is a Ford Focus 1.6 petrol sport. Very nice clean car. Sport is quite a nice spec with alloy wheels. Got factory sat nav, Bluetooth. Drives very well, has good history. Supplied by us with a service, with a new MOT, 3 months parts and labour warranty, all as usual. Now this is one of a choice of two. We currently have in stock, we have a white one and we have this black one. Both very nice cars. This one's done 91,000 miles. Nice seats, all nice and clean. And this one's just been machine polished as well, so it's very glossy, nice and shiny. There will be more pictures on the website. It's austinparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07868 722 133 and I can give you more details. Thank you.